So welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to do technical analysis on the coin Shiba Inu SHIB. So talking about the coin, as you can see, I have drawn the Fibonacci ratio over here. So the green base I have drawn over here and here are the two support zones for SHIB at the moment, and the red line I have drawn over here was a good base for the coin SHIB. So I am little bit worried about SHIB now, because you can see it was maintaining the good base from last few days. You can see over here in this area, in this area, in this area, and this area, it was maintaining the good base. But it has now, in the last 4 to 6 hours, it has broke that region and has came down over here. So it is now moving towards this base, which is the 561, and it is almost there. It is now 57. So I am expecting, if it hits the base and goes back up over here, then you can see a 12 to 10% rise in the coin, which can move it above the good base, which is a right indication for it to pump. And also the listings of SHIB on Robinhood can make this happen. Also talking about the worst case scenario, if it doesn't move back up from here, if it does not pump from up from this region, the 0.56 region, then it can move down to the second base, which is 0.49, which is the worst we are expecting it. Because if you expect from last night, it has almost dipped like 15% now. It has almost dipped like 15% now, which is an bad indication for SHIB at the moment. Also talking about the curves, I have mentioned over here the yellow curves. You can see it was following a pattern, but now it has broke that trend. So I am a bit worried about it. So I am expecting it to enter a bearish move, a little bit bearish move at the moment now. But due to the hype in the market, it can also move back up from this base if it make a good base over here. If it moves a little bit over here, side movement over here in this pattern, as you saw in this pattern, it moved over here, then it pumped up over here. As in the same way, it made a side pattern over here and entered back up again in the good base. Then we are all set to go up it to the next fib, which is around 0.74. But at the moment, if it doesn't, then it is going to fall back to the second support zone. And the last support zone we are expecting it to is the 0.41, this one 0.41, this fib ratio. If it falls below it, then we are shortly going to enter the bearish move, and we can expect it to form very dump and have a 60% of loss. But this is a volatile coin, as you know. It can go against the technical analysis and move with the hype in the market. As people start talking about it, it start to rise. As you have seen over here, it made a 60 to 70% of gain over here. So I am expecting a bearish move little bit now, but from this support zone we can expect a pullback of 20 to 25% over here. So I am expecting, if you want to get in SHIB, then you can get in now and DCA later at 0.49, and take some profits in this zone, between this zone. But if it start to move below this zone, you can get out fully of it, because it is very high risky. As also talking about the RSI index, you can see in the past 3 to 4 days it has lost like 15 to 16% of RSI, which is not at all good. You can see this was the consolidation period over here, and it went up to here. So this was the period over here, so it made a slight change over this. But you can see the bearish move has started to move, and it is flowing downwards over here, and still the point is also marking us down. So I'm expecting a bearish move in SHIB till here. Also you can see in the MACD index, you can see over here this has formed the curve over here, this curve, and it was this curve, so it fall from here. This was the curve for it, this one. So it has started again to build one curve over here. You can see this index has started to gain up. So I am expecting again a bearish move. This is also an bearish indication. And also you can see the volume in the past few days had started to decrease. This volume can see it has started to decrease. So this is not a good news for SHIB at the moment. But again, if Robinhood listing comes up, we can expect the SHIB to bounce up from this zone. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment with your friends. Our Telegram link is in the description. Thank you.